Hello everyone, welcome to ATA Learning Hub. This is Teacher Anna. I'm so grateful to finally see everyone in this video. Yay! In this basic Chinese class, I will briefly introduce what is Chinese pinyin, and I will teach you how to pronounce Chinese phonetics one by one in our following lessons. The goal of our classes is for our students to learn and master the correct pronunciation and be able to spell the pinyin by themselves. So make the long story short, let's start. Mandarin Chinese or Modern Chinese. You can call it as 现代汉语 or 普通话. It's composed of phonetics, 语音, vocabulary, 词汇, grammar, 语法, and our Chinese characters, 汉字. Please take a look about this slide. You can see we have the consonant, 声母, vowels, 韵母, and 声调, the tones. Those three composed of our syllable, 拼音. Then under our syllable is our Chinese characters, 汉字. In general, we can say our consonant, 声母, plus our vowels, 韵母, and add the tones, 声调 will equal to our 拼音 syllable. You see here have the 好, right? Sometimes also can be happen the spatials, 整体认读音节 directly plus tones, 声调 will also can equal to our syllable, 拼音. So what is spatials? Spatials generally refers to the syllables whose pronunciation is still the same as the consonants or vowels. So in the other words, you directly add the tones into it and read it out. No need to spell. Okay? So this is our Chinese pinyin alphabet form. By the way, one more question. How many English letters we have? Let's count. 26, am I right? So according to the knowledge we just learned a while ago, we can see that the Chinese pinyin table have consonants, 声母, vowels, 韵母, and spatials, 整体认读音节. You can call our consonants as initials, which means these letters always appear at the beginning of the pinyin. Oh, one more thing to pay attention is E and U. The one in red circle, they are not our consonant. Two of them are just capitalized forms of the simple vowel, E and U. So guys, if you really want to have a good pronunciation in Chinese, you really need to learn all of them and keep on practicing it before our each lessons. Okay? So before we start, everyone please get one tissue. Teacher Anna's tissue is here. Why we should get our tissue? Because the tissue will help you to check your pronunciation is correct or not. Magic? Yes, it is. So let's start our consonants first. I will divide them into 7 different groups by their place of articulation to teach you one by one. So our first group is 双唇音, 双 double, 唇 lips, 音 sound. So the sound formed by the upper and the lower lips obstructing the airflow. We have 波, 坡, 摸. Let's start our first one. 波. If you are ladies trying to think about what's the last step whenever you're applying your lipstick, is that, am I right? So remember that your upper lips will touch your lower lips and slowly sending the air out with the O sound. 波 坡. Your turn. Great, not so difficult, right? The next we have is our 坡. You will continue with the previous action you did with your lips. Your upper lips still will touch your lower lips. But here, the only difference is the air will burst out from your mouth. What I mean burst out means it's tissue time. I have a tissue now, so I will show you guys first. 坡, 坡. Your turn. Showtime. Nice one. So here the tissue should be blown up by the airflow as standard. The third one is 摸. You see what my hand doing? The action of the lips still same, but the airflow will vibrate your vocal cord and come out from your nose. So you can see the picture. The red spots is the way the airflow come out. So now you can gently use your hand placed to your throat to give it as a guide. Let's do it again. 摸. Oh, by the way, here you can use the pinch nose method. So what is pinch nose method? You're gonna use the two fingers to pinch your nose and to pronounce these consonants. If you cannot make the sound out, means you are doing correct way. Let me show you. I'm doing correct. How about you? Nice. I cannot hear anything. Our second group is 唇齿音. 唇 means lips. 齿 means teeth. 音 means sound. So it is a sound formed by the upper teeth and the lower lip, close to obstructing the airflow. Now everyone, it's time you can show me your beautiful white upper teeth. Show me now. Very nice. When you pronounce this consonant, the bottom lip will against the top teeth, and the airflow will squeeze out from the split between your teeth and your bottom lips. I will show you first. 坡. 坡. Your turn. Again. Nice. Now we will start our third group. Our third group is 舌尖前音. 舌尖 means the tip of your tongue. 前 means front. 音 means sound. We have 滋, 吃, 思. The sound formed by the tip of the tongue against the back of the lower teeth. You can see that picture, the red spot part. So your tongue will touch that, your back of the teeth, like this picture showing. So we can call it as flat tongue. The first consonant in this group we have is 滋. So now you let your tongue lying down on the bed. I mean the bed is your mouth. This is your tongue. Then trying to think about this your teeth. And this here is the back of the teeth. Now let your tongue relax, lying down on the bed, then touch the back of the teeth. 滋, 滋. Squeeze out your airflow, please. Try. Nice. 滋. Let's do it together. 滋, 滋. Great. Next we have our 吃, 吃. Your tongue still relaxed and lying down on the mouth, lying down on his back. Then still here, touch the back of the teeth, the picture, and now you're gonna burst out the airflow. Tissue time. I will show you first. 吃, 吃, 吃. Your time. Nice. Now is the third one in this group. We have 思, 思. Here the tone position is still the same like this. The tip of your tongue must touch the lower back teeth. You will notice that when you pronounce this one, the upper soft palate will raise a bit and the airflow will squeeze out from the narrow slits. Rubbing sound will be a bit stronger compared to the others too. Let's try it together. S, S. Your turn. Great. I know it's a bit complicated, but trust me, if you place your tongue properly and sending the airflow properly, you can do it. Really. So today we have learned what is Chinese pinyin and the 3 groups of consonants with different pronunciation parts today. So we will have a break here finally. So everyone will have enough time to practice them and digest them when you have time. So in the next lesson, we will continue to learn the remaining 4 groups of consonants with different pronunciation parts. See you in the next basic Chinese class video. Bye!